Welcome to Wrong Time Watch. My name is Kevin, and today we have a mystery watch unboxing. I thought this was a tour watch from Random Rob, but apparently it's not. So let's dig into this and see what we have here. Maybe it is a tour watch, but it's not the one I thought it was. Okay, it's the little black box. Interesting looking box here. All right. So let's see what's in here. Okay. No idea what this is. Very interesting. Well, it's a watch with automatic movement. Davanti Horizon, Kickstarter 2020. Water resistant 100 meter. Swiss horological passion. So I guess that must be a Swiss movement. Perhaps ETA 2824. All right, so let me get this on wrist. Interesting. I don't think I have any. I don't have any solid. Well, it's not gold, but solid gold plated watch. It's kind of an oxymoron. I do have watches that are silver with gold accents. Or two-tone watches, but not one that's just a gold color like this. So push-pull crown. I'm winding it right now. Yep, there we go. Let's get this thing wound up. Second hand's moving. So it is a true no-date movement. Crown is kind of slippery, actually. It's not all that easy to grip. So there we go. Let me get this on wrist and then we'll close out the video. Actually, let's look at it next to the SKX for size reference. Yeah, I don't know. It's definitely not my style of watch. Let me know what you guys think of it in the comment section. Not sure what that is on the second hand there. That counterweight. Dial's pretty neat looking. Kind of looks like well, like a Horizon. I think that's what the name of the watch was too. Yeah, Horizon. So that makes sense. Not a fan of the buoyant clasp. I think kind of just flung out there. Let's try that again. Yep, got some springing action in there. So I'm going to assume I'll be about there on the strap. Let's try that. Nope, gotta go to the tightest hole position for my 6.5 inch wrist. There we go, like a little trap door there. All right, let's try this again. Try and slow down here. These butterfly clasps always seems like more of a hassle than what it's worth doing. It should eliminate some of the wear on the strap though. So yeah, I got quite a bit of room here. I had this problem with another watch, a couple watches that have come in. I don't know why they size them so big. Just need to add a couple more holes here. All right, so this buckle is signed. Okay, there we go on my 6.5-inch wrist, 52mm wristband. And let's zoom out here, and then we'll close out the video. So, as always, thank you for taking the time. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you on the next video.